How to turn off data roaming on iPhone. Here's how to turn data roaming off on your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Cellular. On some iPhones or in certain regions, this option may be called Mobile Service or Mobile Data. Next, tap Cellular Data Options or Mobile Data Options, depending on your iOS version. Here, you'll see the data roaming option. If it's turned on, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. When the switch is gray, data roaming is disabled. With data roaming turned off, your iPhone won't use mobile data when you're connected to a roaming network, helping you avoid unexpected charges while traveling internationally. Keep in mind that you'll still be able to use Wi-Fi normally, and you can turn data roaming back on anytime if your mobile plan includes roaming or you need internet access while you're abroad. That's it. Your iPhone is now set to help reduce roaming charges when you travel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone tips and how-to guides.